India has the third highest COVID-19 caseload in the world and the second highest number of active cases. And 60,000 people died so far due to coronavirus. The government is putting students' health at risk by conducting NEET JEE exam amid pandemic. Students have been stressed out. During such time, Congress stands with the students and we are speaking up for their safety. Congress asks the government to listen to the students and then take a decision about JEE NEET exam. The government must also take into consideration the difficulty of students taking the exam from flood-affected states like Assam and Bihar. Join #SpeakUpForStudent-Safety movement. You can share your opinions by going live on your social media handles or make a video and share.
Brothers and sisters, good afternoon. You're the future of this country. You're the students and you are going to take this country to new heights. Everybody understands what has happened over the last 3 or 4 months. Everybody understands the mishandling of COVID, the way the epidemic has been handled, the devastation that has been caused, the economic destruction, the pain that this country has had to bear. Now, what I don't understand is why you should be held responsible and why further pain should be imposed on you. I don't understand what you have done that is wrong. I can clearly see that the government has been incompetent. So why should the government force anything on you? It's important that the government listens to the students. They're wise. They have the interest of this country at heart. And any decision that is made with regards to these exams is made after a conversation and after a consensus has been developed. And this is my message to the government of India. Please, you have already caused enough destruction to them. You have hurt the students of this country. Please listen to them. Have a conversation and resolve this issue peacefully. Thank you.